In this video we will see how can we calculate the Nash equilibrium using dominance solvable method. So let's assume that there are two players. Each has strategy to maintain output or increase output. So the payoffs that player 1 and player 2 gets by maintaining the output are 15 and 30, whereas 15 and 45, 27 and 28 in the case both increase their output, and 30 and 26 in the case if the player 1 chooses to increase output and player 2 chooses to maintain the output. So first we will take the players 1 choices. So the player 1 gets the payoffs of 30 and 27 when it chooses to increase its output. These payoffs are greater than as compared to the strategy of maintaining output. So the player 1 has a dominant strategy of increasing output. So player 1 will always choose to increase the output irrespective of the player 2, so this strategy will cancel out. Now moving towards the player 2, so the player 2 has got the output of 45 and 28 when it chooses to increase its output. So the player 2 also has a dominant strategy of increasing output, as 42 is greater than 30 and 28 is also greater than 26. So both players will always choose to increase output and increase output. Both these players have dominant strategy of increase output and increase output. They will always choose to play that strategy irrespective of what the other players do. So we get the Nash equilibrium using the dominant solvable method, which is each player will choose to increase its output and player 1 will get $27 whereas player 2 will get $28 by playing their dominant strategies.